Hello kids, welcome to littleyTV. So kids, our today's topic is multiplication table and we will learn table of 14. So let's start. 14 1 is 14. 14 2s are 28. 14 3s are 42. 14 4s are 56. 14 5s are 70. 14 6 are 84. 14 7s are 98. 14 8s are 112. 14 9s are 126. 14 10s are 140. So kids, now repeat it one more time. 14 1 is 14. 14 1 is 14. 14 2s are 28. 14 2s are 28. 14 3s are 42. 14 3s are 42. 14 4s are 56. 14 4s are 56. 14 5s are 70. 14 5s are 70. 14 6 are 84. 14 6 are 84. 14 7s are 98. 14 7s are 98. 14 8s are 112. 14 8s are 112. 14 9s are 126. 14 9s are 126. 14 10s are 140. 14 10s are 140. So kids, thank you for watching this video. See you tomorrow with table of 15. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.
littleyTV. Watch, play, learn.